our Riverbend Ranch product. It's naturally grown and harvested beef, and it's never been raised with any hormones or antibiotics or anything like that. I want you to meet our crew. This is Ribeye, and his brother, his name is Hamburger, and of course we've got his cousin here, cousin Diced Beef. And they're going to be joining us today as we do our little unboxing and to see what we've got. Hope you enjoy. Today we received our package from Riverbend Ranch. It's going to be a little unboxing, and these are for our quality beef steaks. It's a great product. Let's open it up and see what we've got here. Looks like it's packaged very well. There were lots of updates on the product availability as it was being shipped and coming to our home. Very nice thick box. Got a nice little letter here. Let's see what it says. Congratulations on being one of the first families in the world to experience Riverbend Ranch. So that's a nice product. It looks like it's well packed. Nice foam packaging. The dry ice, still frozen in here, the ice. We're gonna take that out. Wow, great packaging. Looks like the rib eyes are right here up front. And nice marbling. Great looking, the tails are cut off, so you're getting true weights here. Very nice. So we got some more ribeyes here. Again, really nice marbling, nice consistency throughout the marbling. That looks upper choice of prime is what these cuts are. Another ribeye, again, of course, beautiful product. And another ribeye, yet again. It's four great steaks there. Looks like we've got some steak strips. So these are some great black labeled Riverbend Ranch steak strips. We've got some ground beef. Looks like a very lean, very low fat content, but enough to give it flavor. Man, I'd like to know what that is right there, because that's a good lean ground beef, but yet it's got enough fat in there to give it the flavor profiles you're looking for. Yet another ground beef. So we've got about, looks like about 3 pounds of ground beef in there. And these steaks are nice, thick cut steaks. These are not just some thinly cut ribeyes. These are nice, I would say that's 1.5 inches. You know, if you look at it on your finger, that's about 1.5 inches thickness on that. Then we've got some diced steak. Wow, looks good. Boy, I bet you when you get that out of there, it's gonna be awesome. And some steak strips. So we got a couple of pounds of steak strips in there. And when I say they're nice and ice cold, I promise you they're nice and ice cold. So the steak strips, the diced steak, the 3 pounds of ground beef, and of course your good thick ribeyes make a beautiful layout of product. Well packaged, still frozen. I mean, you can still see the frost on them. So they were packaged really well through shipping. No worries there. And again, glad to get my Ranch and Grill beef product box in. I hope everybody was taking a good look as we have that laid out for you. So I'm going to flip them all over. Again, here's our letter introducing the product to us, congratulating us for being one of the first to get this high-end quality beef product. I'm going to flip these all over so you can take another look at the actual beef product of these as they're laid out here. Again, beautiful, beautiful meat. Steak strips and the diced steak. So that's our unboxing. Welcome to Riverbend Ranch. I'm excited to get these on the grill and have a family barbecue. A little something for everybody. And if you have not ordered your Riverbend Ranch Black Label, then I would highly recommend giving me a shout out and let's connect. And I'll get you hooked up because it's about half the price of other boxed beefs and much, much, much higher quality, no antibiotics, no steroids, nothing. The cows are naturally raised in our own fields and on the ranch from birth to harvest, and we even have our own butchering facility. So it's a full-fledged program. We raise our own grains, so you don't have to worry about the grains being tainted and things the cows eat. So this is purity. This is the best you can get, pure Angus. Thanks, and y'all have a great day. Let me go fire up the barbecue. It's time.